Right, here you have your 2-core 2.5mm cable, black and red. Twin, no earthing for this light. We've run it through these holes. It's connected to this one, but this is just some 1mm cable, 2-core. And this is going to be connected up to these guys, powers off. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Right. So we got black, then
That must have been.
black. The black, right, so I'll show you how it's wired. Yeah, this is a hard wired. This is one of these 10 amp flimsy data switches. Right, so you got the red, which is the incoming live, and you got the black, which is supposed to be the neutral, but it's the switched line, which is going out to the light
So
fitting.
put red tape around it.
Yeah, so red tape on the black. So it's wired up in a certain way. These are the 2.5mm cables, 3-core for power outlets, and this is for the light. And this was the cable before. This is the 1mm, but this since we're running on a 20 amp circuit, 1mm is not enough. We need 2.5. Also by regulation. So here's the incoming live, the red is from these ones, and the black is the switch line. So this is another way how to wire up a light switch, also easier and less use of cables. Yeah, so shall I disconnect the cable from
Yeah,
the
but we're
1mm?
not running a light switch, are we?
No. Yeah.
It's a light switch.
Yeah. Alright. But is the neutral connected to all the neutrals and the earth connected to all the earths? So that's great. And that's fish taping it through the, not really fish tape, but it's connecting it through the holes. Good cable. That's about it, guys, but we are planning on not to use this 10 ampere flimsy switch, so we want to get something higher rating like 15 or 20 amp switch. Since this is a power circuit from a 20 amp circuit breaker, we don't want something 10 amp, and also, I mean, this, see, it's not really, this is a heater. It's one of those halogen ones, the heater, and it draws a bit of power, so it's 1,000 watt. But even though it draws 1,000 watt and this can take it, it's still not allowed to use it by code because it's too thin. But yeah, I'll show you the roll. Where's the roll of cable of this?
By the door to the downstairs.
Okay. Right, here you go. Here's the cable. So this is old stuff. 1mm. Twin, 100 meters. Nice. Ebcool. That's about it, guys. But do you want me to disconnect the wiring?
Yeah, the red one. Yeah.
All right. Sweet. Hey, Pop. Let's see if this is good enough, if this can just sit on here.
What are you doing? Priming.
No, I'm just trying to get them to stay up here. Alright. The red one. And the black or just the red?
Just the two reds.
Oh, sweet.
When you're facing the red. Look at the chair.